What's up, guys? We're back with the vlog, and I know it's been a minute. I apologize, but you know it's just a bunch of just stuff going on right now. You know, the world's kind of crazy right now, so yeah. And I haven't had anything to really do either, so you know, yeah. But we're back. We're gonna definitely be back a lot sooner. You know, the people are actually starting to have like car meets and stuff now, so you know I'll be able to go to those. I'll be able to do that for you guys. I have a lot more parts now. Speaking of which, we have new tail lights and headlights, or maybe these are the tail lights and those are the headlights. I don't know, but we have new ones. So the way the car is now, it's the last time we're gonna see it like this for probably forever, unless I decide I don't want like either of the lights. But there's these are from Spyder. I'll put the links down below in case anyone wants to get them for their car, because on their website you can look at them but you can't buy them off the website, at least not that I saw. So I'll put the link of where I got them from, and let's go ahead and unbox them and take a look at them because I am excited for them. Let's go ahead and cut these open. Alright. Okay, these are the headlights. And here they are. These are gonna look pretty nice on that. Out. These are really good, well packaged. It's good though. Yeah, these are gonna look good on here.
As long as they look good, it really doesn't matter.
Okay, let's open up tail lights. And these are the tail lights right here. Let's take them out the plastic so you can see them. Is it closed? The plastic is closed. Okay, let's cut it open. Here are the tail lights, and both of these they have sequential turn signals. Whenever I get them on the car, I'll show how they look. But these are both sequential, and these are fiber optic lights, and they're not like regular LED lights. And let's go ahead and get these ones open so we can get started. Here they are. And now for both of these, they are just direct replacements. You don't have to add anything, take anything off of the factory ones or anything. They're just straight direct replacements. So that makes installing them very, very easy. All right, so we're gonna do the headlights first. It's real simple. You just take off these two screws right here. Do that for both sides, and then your headlight's just gonna pop out. Unplug it, plug your new one in, and you put your aftermarket headlight in, and then you're done. It's that simple. One.
Make sure those don't fall off.
And then all you do, just like that, you can take your headlight out, and then you just unplug the factory harness. Alright, so now we've got both the headlights off, as y'all see. So now all we do, you just bring your new headlight over, and plug it in. This is, you don't really need this. You kind of just let that you can kind of let that dangle a little bit, and then get your headlights set in place, and it'll be good. There we go, just like that. Make sure that their wires aren't in the way or touching stuff, you know, make sure that that's all good. And then that is gonna look, that looks really good. You can kind of just see how they're gonna look on there. You know, that looks pretty nice right there. These are like the smoked ones a little bit, so that way so it's a little darker in the front. And I believe these 3 lights right here are like running lights. If I'm not mistaken, I think these are like your daytime running lights, so these ones are gonna always be on. I'm not really sure if they're like LEDs though. I mean, whenever we turn them on, we'll see, but I'm not really sure. We'll find out. Because if they're not, I'm gonna get new bulbs, because I do want them to be LEDs. So if they're not, I'm gonna get new bulbs. I could probably run to AutoZone and grab them if they're not. All right, we got the front all done. Now we're heading to the back. And to take your rear headlight, not rear headlights, what are you talking about? Your rear tail lights right here. There's 2 doors. This right here, this is your fuse box. But up here is another door similar to that one down there. And this is where you get to your lights. They're right here. And as you see, there's one thing right here. You screw, this is just like a little screw. It's holding in the light. You take that off, and then right up here, there's another one. If you can see it, it's right here. It's the same thing. You just unscrew it, and they release the tail light. All right, so we got them both out right here. You just unscrew them with your hand, and see, there's the old one, there's where they were, and now your headlight, not your head, why do I keep saying headlight? The tail light comes out. It's like loose now, you see. So you're just gonna take it. Do be careful, it falls out kind of easy. So just make sure you're being careful. You see, it just pops out like that, and then these were your tail lights. Now out. I'm not sure if we're gonna need to keep this, so I'm gonna keep this right here, but this goes inside of this hole right here to hold this end of the tail light to the car. So I'm not sure if those tail lights have one already for them, but in case they don't, we're gonna save this in case we gotta take it off. And then all you do, oh, this is so dirty, this is disgusting. You just, right here, the little black tab, what you see right here, all you're doing, just grabbing it, unplugging it, and that's it. That simple, and you got your tail light out. Dude, look at how nasty it is inside of here. I'm gonna clean this off a little bit. That's pretty gross inside of there. Just kind of at least just dust it off a little bit so it's not, we're not putting our new tail lights in some freaking dust house. Like, dude, goodness gracious. Good Lord. Okay. At least got them wiped off a wee bit. Alright. It's a little better, I guess. Alright, so we got these. It came with these 3 little tabs over them, one on this, and this, which means we don't need that white tab that was on our factory one. We can just use this one right here. It will go in, and these are the same screws that were, and these are the screws that these go over, so you can screw that back on and keep the head. I keep saying headlight. I'm done. So you can keep the tail light in place. So all you do, just come over here. Like I said, it's a direct. You just slide it on. There you go. Listen for the click, and then there you go. Pop the clip on, and then just wipe that off. All right, and then once you got your clip on, you can see You can see in here, let me get a light for you guys. You can see in here, right there where the screw is. You can see it right there. And then you see the other one, the camera right there. You can see it where you just screw your post back on. And then we're gonna just take our old screw, put it there, just screw that back on, and repeat that on the other side. All right, we've got our tail lights on. So you just put your door back. All right, there's that one. Put your other one back. Go. And don't leave stuff in your trunk, because don't leave it. All right, and then let's shut the trunk and see how it looks. What was that? What the heck? Okay. Shut the trunk. And just like that, this looks like so different now. This is crazy. They actually look really good though. I actually really like these. I was actually really like on the fence of getting them, because I kind of wanted a light where this whole entire piece would be a light, you know? And as you see, like, just this is a light. So I was kind of like on the fence about it, but I just went ahead and got them. But they look actually really good. They look a lot better in person. And I actually really like those. And the black and the smoked up front, it's gonna look real good together. So let's go ahead and turn the car on. And let's look at the lights so I can show you guys. So go ahead and we're gonna see what they look like. Oh, okay. Yeah, so these are like a blue light. I hope the headlights are actually just like these. Cause these, like I said, these are your like daytime lights. You see those, they're on, because the door's just open right now, the car's not on, so you know, these are the lights that just kind of come on. Let's take a look at the tail lights, make sure they're on. And yep, right here, they are. And that looks really cool. I like how this is right here. Those are nice. All right, let's go ahead and start the car and see what the actual headlights are looking like. And they're not LEDs, so we're gonna have to go get some, because I want this, I'm gonna want this to match. So yeah. But still, they still look really good. So alright, so here are the tail lights. You see the brake lights actually up here. It's not, these don't glow or anything. The brake lights up here. So that means these are your just like running lights right here for your rear. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it in reverse so we can see what the reverse lights are like. And they are right under here. They're pretty bright too. Right there. Yeah, so. Alright, and we're gonna look at the turn signals, because I did say, like I said, they're sequential, so we're just gonna look at what they're like. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice right there too. And they're pretty bright. You see those? Let's go look at the back, see what it's looking like. And in the back, you see them right here. They move as well. And I must say, I'm pretty impressed with how it looks. You know, this really just changes the whole appearance of it, and I like that. These look really good. Like I said, I'm gonna have to go get some LEDs to match that, so that way they're both a blue light, because I don't like that. That's kind of ugly. And before we go, we're gonna turn on the high beams and turn on the high beams. And here it is with the high beams on, and they're pretty bright, but like I said, there's still that yellow light, and I don't like that, so I'm gonna get blue ones to match as well. So yeah, but overall, these are actually really nice. They look really good. easy to install. So if you're looking to get these for your car, like I said, I'll leave the links down below, and I'll catch you guys next time. See you later.